From hacking iPhones to building a $7 billion startup. With zero in the bank, they skyrocketed to $319 million in revenue. In just 12 months, they went from unknown to billionaires. Once under legal fire from Apple, they now manage over 30,000 cardholders in a company worth billions. Well, we are talking about Henrique Dubugras and Pedro Franceschi, founders of Brex. And today, we're not just unfolding a startup story. We're witnessing a saga of bold moves and relentless innovation. We're going to explore how Brex started with just 100 customers and quickly grew to 200,000, powered by innovation and Y Combinator support. Brex's meteoric rise shows what's possible with the right vision and strategic product expansion. Watch as we reveal how Brex went from nothing to a $1 billion valuation in record time, redefining the startup landscape along the way. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more incredible stories from the world of startups and investments. Henrique Dubugras and Pedro Franceschi met when they were just 16. They bonded over their mutual passion for coding. Both were always pushing the limits of technology, which worried their mothers due to their constant hacking experiments. Their early ventures into hacking soon caught the attention of a tech giant, Apple. The two faced legal warnings for hacking the iPhone. But instead of backing down, this setback fueled their determination to build something bigger. They decided to channel their talents into entrepreneurship and launched saga.me, a payment processing company similar to Stripe, but tailored for the Brazilian market. It quickly succeeded, handling millions in transactions and showing its ideas could transform industries. After their success in Brazil, Henrique and Pedro set their sights on something bigger, which was Silicon Valley. They enrolled at Stanford University, but quickly realized they were more interested in building companies than just studying. With that ambition, they joined Y Combinator, pitching a virtual reality startup called Beyond. However, it didn't take long for them to realize that this idea wasn't the right fit, and they shifted their focus to something even more impactful. At Y Combinator, they saw a big problem many founders faced, which is getting credit cards. Banks didn't want to give credit cards to new risky businesses without a personal guarantee. Henrique and Pedro knew this problem well and decided to solve it. Recognizing this widespread issue, they decided to tackle it head-on, leading to the birth of Brex, a name derived from combining business and express, symbolizing their commitment to providing fast and accessible financial services to startups. After months of research, market analysis, and hard work, they finally launched Brex in 2017. Brex shook up the corporate credit card world by offering cards tailored for startups without needing personal guarantee or big deposits. Right from its inception, the role of Y Combinator was instrumental. Through YC's network, Brex gained access to potential customers and influential investors. YC's mentorship also refined Brex's strategy and business model. Brex's initial marketing strategy smartly targeted YC startups by providing them with credit facilities that immediately eased their cash flow issues. This strategy proved effective and helped Brex to quickly validate its business model. By the end of its first operational year, Brex had expanded its outreach beyond YC, targeting a broader array of startups across multiple sectors. With a robust digital marketing strategy, this aggressive expansion was reflected in their impressive user growth. Brex reported having over 30,000 cardholders within just 1 year of launching. By the close of 2018, Brex had successfully raised approximately $200 million from top-tier investors, including Green Oaks Capital, DST Global, and IVP. This funding further accelerated product development and market expansion. By mid-2018, just 1 year after its public launch, Brex was valued at $1.1 billion, achieving unicorn status faster than most startups in YC's history. Brex initially disrupted the market by offering corporate credit cards without personal guarantees or deposits, appealing especially to risk-averse startups. They provided credit card limits up to 10 times higher than traditional banks and allowed instant access to virtual cards for swift business operations. Further expanding its services, Brex introduced Brex Cash, a cash management account optimized for startups, featuring fast setup and no fees. They launched a rewards program tailored to startup costs like R&D and SaaS subscription, allowing points to be earned on travel, ride shares, and dining up to support business operations. Brex further simplified financial management by adding robust experience tracking and management tools, allowing it to better serve industries like e-commerce and life science with tailored solutions. This focus on specific sectors fueled Brex's rapid growth as it expanded into international markets and built a community through webinars, workshops, and events. By 2021, Brex had significantly broadened its services, impacting thousands of companies and transforming financial management for startups. Looking ahead, Brex plans to explore cryptocurrency transactions and global payment solutions to continue supporting the global startup ecosystem. Amid 2023, with foundational support from Combinator, Brex achieved $319 million in net annual revenue, making a 48% increase from the $215 million reported in 2022. This surge was primarily driven by a 302% boost in deposit revenue, growing from $26 million to $105 million. Following the Silicon Valley Bank shutdown, Brex's total assets soared from $4 billion to $7 billion. Unlike typical corporate card providers that charge $300 to $600 annually, Brex offers its cards for free, generating revenue through a 2.7% interchange rate, which aligns closely with the growth trajectories of early-stage companies. Brex achieved a billion-dollar valuation swiftly through strategic technology deployment, expansion of its product lineup, a deep understanding of startup-specific needs, considerable venture capital investment, and strong backing from Y Combinator. If you're seeking a partner like YC that can propel your startup to similar heights, connect with us at Exit Fund. We provide funding and resources to innovative startups ready to disrupt their industries. Like, share, and stay tuned for more inspiring stories from the startup and investment world.